Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hima Subramanian. I've made several recipes with eggs not only because they are fun and easy and tasty, but they're also a good source of protein. I've made several recipes and adding to that list is another wonderful recipe. This is shakshuka. I have all the ingredients to make the shakshuka. Now to a wide pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Next add 1 large onion finely chopped. Saute it for a minute or so. Next add 1 large red capsicum that's been chopped. Saute the vegetable till the capsicum is nice and soft. This will take about 10 minutes. So you can see the vegetable has softened up nicely. This has been cooking for about 10 minutes on medium-low flame. Next, I'm seasoning with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon pepper. Mix everything after adding the spice powders. If you don't have paprika, you can just use the regular chili powder instead. Next, add about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic that's been finely chopped. Just mix that all in. So I'm using 2 cans of tomatoes. These are whole peeled tomatoes. This is roughly about 800 grams. Now I'm using canned tomatoes because it gives out a lovely sweetness and tanginess to the dish. If you can't find canned tomatoes, you can use regular tomatoes that have been blanched. So just make sure the tomatoes are nice and ripe. Once you've added the tomatoes, just mash them with a spatula like this. Check for seasoning at this point and add a little salt if needed. Make sure you add the salt before you add the eggs. Let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Next, add some freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix everything in. Now we're going to start adding the eggs. Crack open the egg into a small bowl. Make a little well on one side. Gently drop in the egg into the well and you can just make a small wall around it. Gently start dropping in all the eggs one by one in the same manner into the pan. Now that we have added all the eggs, maintain the flame on a medium-low. Close the pan and allow the eggs to cook. The most important point to remember is the eggs have to be half done. You don't want them to be completely cooked. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, just open the pan and check to see if the eggs are done. Once the white layer is formed on top and the yolk is a little runny, that is gooey in the center, that's the indication that the eggs are done. If the eggs are not done in about 3 to 4 minutes, just keep it for another 1 or 2 minutes. It depends on what heat you have the pan on. So this can be a bit tricky. So I recommend you to open the pan and check after about 3 to 4 minutes. The shakshuka is done. You can see the beautiful layer on top and the yolk is still a little gooey inside. Here is this absolutely delicious and healthy shakshuka that you can enjoy anytime for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So I've made several other egg recipes. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. You can check them out as well. Here is the moment of truth. I'm going to just cut the egg. You can see how gooey the yolk is. And now it's time for tasting. So I am going to enjoy this delicious shakshuka. Now you can eat this for breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's such a wonderful meal by itself. Now I'm going to enjoy with some nice sourdough bread. You can enjoy with any crusty bread or any other bread of your choice. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.